Healthy recipe. Lettuce tacos with lean ground beef and guacamole. You can see the ingredients in the description. In a large skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add chopped onion and minced garlic, and cook until tender and fragrant, about 3–4 minutes. Add lean ground beef to the skillet and cook, breaking it apart with a wooden spoon, until browned and cooked through. Season the ground beef with ground cumin, paprika, chili powder, if using, salt, and pepper to taste. Mix well to incorporate the seasonings. Meanwhile, prepare the homemade guacamole. Mash 2 ripe avocados in a bowl and mix with lemon juice, salt, pepper, and optionally chopped cilantro and chopped tomatoes. To assemble the tacos, place a portion of the cooked ground beef onto each lettuce leaf. Top with homemade guacamole and your favorite optional garnishes. Serve and enjoy your lettuce tacos with lean ground beef and guacamole. For more recipes, follow us.